Good afternoon, good afternoon. Happy to see the first participants. And we are waiting for others. And we are going to start very soon. Okay. Поки чекаємо. Is everything okay? Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Good afternoon. Yes, we can.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Okay, so we have 6 minutes left. Okay, while we are waiting, let's do one task while we are waiting, not to waste our time. So as we are going to speak about spring, so you can use chat and write as many words related to spring as possible. Okay, let's see what words do you associate with spring. So please use the chat and write these words while we are waiting. Okay, I will start and you will continue, or I will continue if you started. Okay, so for the new participant, yeah, so we are writing some words related to spring in our chat while waiting for others. So use chat and write what is spring for you. So hello everyone who is joining us, and now we are waiting, and please, yeah, oh, sunny weather, thank you. Write words or phrases or proverbs maybe related to spring using our chat. So I have just added vibrant colors, so they are really bright. A lot of flowers you can see in spring. And of course, amazing beauty of the nature. And Anya has just added sunny weather. Yeah, we really want sunny weather here. So please add your comments, add your words or phrases related to spring. Or you can say, if you don't want to type, yeah, maybe you're lazy enough to type. So please, yeah, you can say what words can you associate with the spring.
Добрий день.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, thanks for joining. While we are waiting, we are writing some words about spring. So what is spring for you? So please use chat and write the words about spring. Okay, Alina, yeah, I can see that you're typing. So please, yeah, it's interesting to see, yeah, which words we can use speaking about summer. Oh, sorry, spring here. Many flowers, yeah, definitely. A lot of flowers, many flowers we can see. Okay, what else? Tell me please about your attitude, yeah, towards spring. Do you like spring or not? What's your favorite month, maybe?
Can I say, I used to like spring, but lately I changed my mind. I like autumn more.
Okay. Why? So what caused you, yeah, to change your mind?
I don't know. I think last spring wasn't so good. It was really gray. I didn't like it. And plus autumn is my birth month.
Oh, okay, so now I understand. Thank you. Thanks for your comment. And I see Dasha has just written freshness. Very nice. Yeah, definitely freshness and sunshine and different events. Yeah. Okay. Anyone else wants to say maybe something? Yeah. Speaking about spring. Yeah. And what words can you use? Yeah, to describe spring. Or your
Добрий
feeling.
день.
Yeah, hello, yeah. So we are speaking about spring, and we have just some seconds left to start. Yeah, to start our class. We are going to speak about. Okay, just a second. I will start. Yeah, happy to see your smileys. I hope you have good mood. Okay. By the way, you can send the smiley into the chat with your mood. So how are you now? Yeah. This is me. I'm happy to see you. I'm sending you this smiley, and you can use yours in the chat, or using our screen to share your smiley. So, and my heart to you. Yeah, I'm happy to see you. Okay, so it's precisely 1 o'clock, and let's start. So today we are going to speak about interesting spring traditions and phrases. Some of you have just written some words related to spring, and we could see that there were words about flowers, about freshness, about sunshine, amazing beauty, and so on. And do you want to add something? The new participants, do you want to add something? What is spring for you? Use some phrases or some words to describe. Anyone? You can raise your hand and say, do you like this season or not? Why not? Okay, it's Sunday, I know, and you don't want maybe to talk, but practice your speaking, please. Yes, Daria, please.
For me, spring is start of new life.
Okay, thank you. That's right, yeah. And anyone else wants to add something? Okay, yeah, so start speaking. No one will punish you for speaking, but practice. Okay, no one wants. Okay, so let's start, yeah, discussing, and let's start describing picture related to spring. Can you see the picture? Can you see the picture with the beautiful tender flower? Do you know what is it? What flower can you see in the picture?
I know the flower, but I'm not sure how it's called in English.
Okay, but there is a hint in the text. There is a hint in that small text next to the picture. You will find
Snowdrop.
Snowdrops, that's right, snowdrops. Okay, so what feelings does this picture awaken in you? How do you understand this? What feelings does this picture awaken in you? Good feelings or bad feelings maybe, or neutral feelings? What do you feel looking at this picture?
I think positive feelings.
Sorry, can you repeat, please?
Positive feelings.
Positive feelings. Okay, can you say that you feel hopeful looking at this picture?
Maybe.
Hopeful. So you have hopes. Because even yeah, having heavy snow, having frost, this flower grows, this flower appears, yeah, and it blooms. So it is really good and positive, yeah, feeling to feel the hope. Okay, so now let's get further. Speaking about spring, you can see there are some choices for spring, this or that. And if you choose something, what would you choose? Flower garden or veggie garden, if you can choose? Speaking about spring.
Flower garden.
Flower garden, okay. Thank you. The next, picnic, or I can't see properly recording. So picnic and something else, because I can't see properly what's the next. Picnic or?
Picnic.
Yeah, I think picnic, everyone. Yeah. Tea or lemonade? What would you choose?
Tea.
Oh, tea.
Lemonade.
Yeah. Lemonade. Some will choose, yeah, lemonade.
Lemonade.
Yeah. And what do you like to watch at? Yeah. Do you like to do bird watching or butterfly watching?
Butterfly watching.
Butterfly
Yeah.
watching.
Birds or butterfly watching, yeah. Do you know that there is a hobby, very popular hobby in England, for example, in other countries in Europe, like bird watching? Have you heard about this hobby?
Yes.
Yes, and people have special equipment. They have binoculars, they have telescopes, yeah, and they have a lot of cameras and other supplies, yeah, to watch the birds. And people go from one country to other countries, and they make records and then they share their experiences with others. So bird watching is really popular in many countries now. Okay, and sunny days or rainy days, speaking about spring, what would you prefer?
Sunny days.
Of course, we all like sunny days.
It's kinda tough because for me, I like when it's both, when it's rains kinda, but sun shines and it's actually so beautiful. When it,
Yeah, and after rain with sun, you can see something beautiful in the sky. Yeah, the rainbow, you can see the rainbow. Okay, so that was choice, this or that. But now please, at the next picture, the picture on the right, and tell me please, what are you going to do in spring? It's about your plan. Are you going to go on a bike ride or any other activities? So tell me please about your plans for this spring, this certain spring. Okay, any volunteers? Daria, could you start please?
Left fresh
Maybe
eye.
outdoor adventures.
Okay, I heard this. Thank you. Any other? What are you going to do? Sorry, what are you going? Sasha, please.
Meet with a friends.
Yeah, Sasha, I didn't hear you.
In the spring, I'm going to go on a bike, ride a bike, and have a picnic with my friends.
Okay, nice plan, very nice plan. Так, ще бачу тут у нас на О. Хтось ще піднімав ручку, на О. Але, да, Саша була. І Дар'я, yeah. Could you please continue?
Maybe photography walks, outdoor yoga or meditation, and travels.
Okay, that's very good plan for spring. Yeah, and very active, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so please think about your plan for spring to fill your spring with a lot of good energy, a lot of laughter, a lot of nice memories. Okay. And now conditionals. You remember what is conditional in English? Conditional, умовні речення, да. So, what plans for March would you have if you were in England? So, what type of conditional sentences is this? Who remembers? We have three types. Real, half real, unreal, and the next is unreal. The third is unreal. So which type of conditional is this? How do you think? Who knows? Забули? Умовні речення. Який тип? Перший, другий, третій? Okay, so we have real conditional. What plans for March will you have? Daria, please.
I think it's second conditional.
Yeah, it's the second. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So how would you translate that, Daria? How would you translate this sentence?
Які б у вас були плани на березень, якби ви були в Англії?
That's right. So please start answering using this structure. If I were, not was, if I were in England, this is the rule for a second conditional. If I were in England, I would. So please start. Any volunteers, please? Anya, Shkolenka Anya, can you help us?
If I were in England, I will decorate for spring.
I would. Don't forget, I would decorate for spring. Yeah, this is the second conditional. Thank you. Daria, please.
If I were in England in March, I would enjoy both nature and culture.
Thanks. Daria, please. Shulgina Daria.
If I were in England, I would explore London, like visit Big Ben and Tower of London and the London Eye. Then maybe visit historical places like Oxford University or Windsor Castle, and of course enjoy nature. And the most thing I like it's go shopping.
You would go shopping for that, definitely.
Yes.
Okay.
And maybe that's all.
Yeah.
And maybe meet people's like and explore their culture and try national food.
National cuisine, yeah, I would try national, but it's okay. Fish and chips, yeah. You would try fish and chips, yeah. Oh, yeah, but by the way, they have a really nice pastry. They have really delicious cakes in England there, and Sunday roast. If you were in England on Sunday, you would definitely try Sunday roast. So different vegetables roasted and served with different sauces. Yeah, it's kind of good. Okay, anyone else wants to say, if you were in England, what would you do? Okay, would you celebrate Patrick's Day? Yeah, Katerina, please.
If I will in England, I would visit some national museums.
Definitely. Yeah, the national galleries worth it to visit, and they are free. By the way,
Maybe
they are
something like that.
Sorry. And Natural Science Museum is amazing museum. You must visit this museum, and you can spend the whole day there. So, but don't forget, if I were in England, ми ж не зараз в Лондоні, да? Як ми були б зараз в Лондоні чи в Англії, це в нас другий тип. Да? If I were, звучить, it sounds weird, but actually this is the rule. If I were in England now, or if I were in London now, I would, що б я зробив? Так, і у нас хтось ще хоче сказати. Just a second. Катя сказала, and someone else wanted to add? If I were in England or in London, I would. Okay, so plan. If you plan, if you dream, you will definitely achieve your plans and your dreams. So, speaking about England, let's continue speaking about England traditions related to one of the most popular holidays and festivities in England. So, how do you think? What tradition is the most popular nowadays in England? Can you see the picture well enough? Yeah, Daria, please.
I think it's Christmas.
It's Christmas, yeah. The holiday is the most. This holiday is the most popular, definitely. But speaking about Easter, Easter is the second in the rank. But what tradition is the most popular? Can you see my slides with Easter UK traditions? Is it okay? Can you see this slide?
Yes, we see your presentation.
Oh, very good. So there are some traditions related to Easter, like egg hunt, then sending cards. Then they also have festive lunch, hot cross buns, Morris dancing. What else? Bonnet, Easter bonnet tradition, when they decorate their hats, bonnets with different Easter symbols, like hair, like rabbits, eggs, flowers, and so on. And Maypole festival, so dancing around this pole. So how do you think, what tradition is the most popular nowadays?
Maybe egg hunt.
Yeah, definitely egg hunt. And yeah, and the second tradition is related to food. So we have Easter bread in Ukraine, and they have, do you know what is it? Hot cross bun. Who knows what hot cross bun is? Hot cross buns. Okay, so hot cross buns, they are small buns with the cross on it, and these buns are with raisins, з родзинками. And in the morning at Easter, they cut hot cross bun into halves. They have two halves, and they spread butter on these hot cross buns. And this is, you know, very festive breakfast for British people. But they are really nice. They taste very good. Hot cross buns. So we have Pascha, we have our Easter bread, and they have hot cross buns. Okay. And Easter hunt is really popular. Who can explain? What is Easter hunt? So use your own words, or you can read. What is Easter hunt? How can you describe this tradition? Who knows what does it mean? Okay, I will show you the picture. Easter egg hunt. Yeah, Katerina, please.
Maybe I think it's some special thing for kids, like to do Easter more interesting and exciting for them.
Definitely, yeah. But can you describe? Oh, maybe Dasha will help us. Can you girls describe how? Yeah, how do they arrange everything for this Easter hunt? What do they do at this event? Daria, please.
If I'm not mistaken, it's a game for children that happens at Easter. People hide chocolate or plastic eggs, often in gardens or parks, and then children search for them.
Definitely, yeah.
Eggs are usually brightly colored or decorated.
Definitely, yeah. And do you like such tradition?
Yes, that's cool and fun.
Yeah, it's really exciting. Yeah, it's really exciting. Okay. And what about this tradition in Ukraine? Have you ever tried Easter egg hunt in Ukraine?
Only once.
Only once. And yeah. Thank you, Katerina.
I think mostly in Ukraine we haven't such a tradition. I know that it's tradition that Germans do it like in English, but in Ukraine not.
Yeah, it's not so popular here. Yeah, it's interesting, but not so popular here. Thank you. And Katerina, do you want to add something? Because I can see your hand. Okay, so you have just said. Okay, so this is Easter egg hunt, the most popular tradition, and also hot cross buns. So now you can see these buns. They are quite tasty. Okay, and speaking about other country, English-speaking country, the USA, the most popular tradition is Easter egg rolling. So how do you understand this tradition? What do you know about this tradition?
It's like a marathon or something. I'm not sure. They push the egg with their spoon, and who first reaches the finish is the winner.
That's right. Yes, thank you. And Daria, would you like to add something?
No, я хотіла те ж саме сказати.
And do you know the location where this event takes place? What is the location?
It's White House.
That's right. This is the White House. Can you imagine the main building where the president lives? So, and every Easter, they have this tradition for children. I don't know about this year, let's see. But last year, they had this tradition and all the years before. So it's quite funny, and a lot of children like this tradition. And I think it's good that children are somewhere in a very, very, important place. So it's good for them. Okay, so do you want to add something about traditions? Maybe you have heard about other traditions. Maybe you have your own favorite tradition related to English-speaking countries, or maybe other countries that you visited, or maybe you have friends in that country. Can you share with us any interesting tradition? Yeah, Daria, please.
In United States, I know game like Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
And Australia, it could be Easter show.
Easter show. Okay. Could you explain us what does it mean?
About Easter show?
Yeah.
It's large event.
Yeah.
It's like fun and family-friendly festival.
Yeah.
Just like it's connected with all games to one week.
Okay. So, and do they celebrate this event somewhere in the park, or maybe somewhere near their important buildings in the center of the town?
No, like in center.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Any other opinions or any other ideas about how to celebrate, and maybe something that you really like, speaking about other countries? Even, speaking about Ukraine, why not? Because we have a lot of interesting traditions. So tell me, please, what's your favorite tradition, Easter tradition or other spring traditions in Ukraine? What do you like?
Maybe breaking the eggs. I don't know if I said it correctly, because like
You mean like hitting the egg?
no. Yes, hitting an egg.
Yeah. Okay. So do you remember the meaning of this tradition?
I only know that who first breaks the other egg is the winner.
That's right. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. And any other opinions about the best Easter tradition, whether it is in Ukraine or in England or in other countries? Okay, so think about it, and if you want, you can share your maybe impressions or your opinions about Easter holidays and Ukrainian traditions and other traditions using Padlet and chat as well, if you want. Okay, and now, we have just spoken about traditions, about the main traditions, and now let's look at some idioms. English language is famous for its idioms. The same we can say about Ukrainian. And they are quite interesting. So please, do you know this phrase, to put all eggs in one basket? So who knows this phrase? What does it mean? How do you think? Okay, I will help you. So read and try to understand. Try to understand. What does it mean? You can use Ukrainian explaining your ideas.
Це докласти всіх зусиль, щоб зробити одну справу, і якщо ця справа провалюється, Я не дуже розумію, що друге речення
You have
означає.
no other options left. Oh, yeah,
Я
no.
розумію переклад, я не розумію значення в сенсі.
Okay, just a second. Maybe Daria will help us. Thank you. Uh-huh. Daria, what would you like to say?
In translation or to explain?
So, how explain using your own words? How do you understand this?
Okay, I think it means to risk everything on a single opportunity.
Okay, yeah, very good explanation. And can you translate? Yeah, how do you understand this in Ukrainian?
Idiom, yes.
Yeah, idiom, please.
Покласти всі яйця в один кошик.
That's right, yeah. So you can say about money, don't keep your money in one wallet. Don't keep your money in one bank, for example, or don't keep your money in one box somewhere. You must put money or expensive things or efforts somewhere in other places. So don't keep something that is very important for you in one place. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Do you understand the meaning now? Thanks, girls, for your help. I think, yeah. Okay, this one is really popular nowadays. The grass is greener on the other side. So how do you understand this phrase? Can you translate? Who wants to translate? Daria, will you try? Yeah, Daria, please.
I can try explain.
Oh, yeah, please. It would be even better.
Maybe it means that other situations, opportunities, or maybe places are better than theirs.
Yeah, okay. So do you agree with this meaning?
Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah. So sometimes we think that life of other people is better, or we can think that something is better, but we don't have this. So it's a bit about jealousy. It's about envy. So don't be envious, don't be jealous, and don't think that the grass is greener on the other side. So it's quite tricky phrase. Oh, I like this phrase. How do you understand this? A spring in your step. Very nice phrase. Who knows the meaning? To be energetic, positive, and enthusiastic with a cheerful attitude. What does it mean, cheerful attitude? Who knows this meaning? Cheerful attitude. Positive attitude. So if you, Daria, please.
A cheerful attitude, that means бадьорий настрій.
Ставлення, да? Радісне ставлення до всього. Cheerful attitude. Cheerful attitude to everything. Positive thinking, as we can say also, to be optimistic, to have cheerful attitude. Okay, so a spring in your step, please memorize this phrase. The next is no spring chicken. No one wants to hear this, but life is cruel, and in our lives, we will be no spring chicken. So how do you understand? What does it mean? Someone who isn't young anymore. So you are here spring chickens. Yeah. No, yeah, but I can't say this about myself. So spring chicken is someone who is young, but no spring chicken, it means older people. And the next is to spring into action. To spring into action. To spring means to jump. It's not about season, it's about action. To spring into action. How do you understand this? So spring into action. Learn this idiom. Yeah, do this. Start doing this very quickly. Okay. A happy bunny, and I want you all, yeah, to be happy bunnies. It means, what does it mean? Are you a happy bunny? Yeah. Yeah. Who wants to say something? Katerina, yeah, please.
Maybe to be funny and cheerful and kind.
That's right. Yeah. To be happy in any situation, even now living in Sumy or in Ukraine. Yeah, you can feel like a happy bunny because you appreciate what you have. You enjoy life despite everything. So please be happy bunnies. The next, to pull the rabbit out of the hat. What does it mean? To pull the rabbit out of the hat. If you went to the circus, you would probably saw this. You would probably see, sorry, that's my mistake. Unexpected solution. So I'm pulling the rabbit out of the hat. I know how to do it. Unexpected solution. Who knows this phrase? An unexpected solution to a problem. What does it mean?
Незвичайне рішення.
Unexpected, неочікувано, да? Surprised. Surprising. You are surprised, yeah, because of this surprising solution, unexpected solution. Okay, the next is, this is really nice phrase, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Can you say this about your friends? That they are bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Can you translate this phrase? Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Daria, please. Yeah.
Яскравоокий і пустохвостий.
That's right, yeah, very funny phrase, yeah. З яскравими очима, да, з блискучими очима і з пухнастим хвостиком. Да. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Someone who is alert and eager. So someone who is really enthusiastic about something. Someone who wants something immediately. I want this now, yeah, and I'm happy and I'm ready for this. Yeah? So bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Okay, and now it's quiz time. So please think, which idiom can we use in this situation? Who wants to read? Anyone is willing to read this? Who wants to read? Okay, my most active students. Okay, Anya, please.
Everyone was relaxing in the office, but when the boss entered, they all sprang into action.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah, that's right. Sprung into action. Yeah, so they showed that they are working. Yeah, definitely. Okay, the next is who can read? Who can read the variant? Okay, if you don't want, Daria, please.
Alexis is very
Envious.
envious of other people. She really believes that the grass is greener on the other side, but she should appreciate her own life.
Very good. And Daria, can you translate the sentence, please, for us to understand?
Yes. Alexis дуже заздрить іншим людям. Вона дійсно вірить в те, що на іншій стороні трава зеленіша, але вона повинна цінувати власне життя.
Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much for good interpretation. So the grass is greener on the other side. That's right. Okay. Are the volunteers except Daria? So please, spring into action. Spring into action. Be bright eyes and bushy tail. Okay. Sasha? Sasha Brechka, can you help? Okay. Daria? Yeah, Daria, so you're the one. Thank you.
Taylor has a real bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. They are so full of life.
They're so full of fun. Okay, bright is a real bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Are you sure? Because if we have a and then a real, it means
Maybe Taylor has a real happy bunny. They're so full of life.
is a real happy bunny. They're so full of life. Maybe, okay, maybe other words. It's tricky. It's tricky.
Spring chicken.
Spring chicken has a real spring. They're so full of life. Okay, so which variant should we choose? Let's vote. Let's vote for the first one. Let's vote. Who wants the first one? Show me your reactions. Let's choose the first one, or A, B, C, D. So you can use chat to write, and I will see which letter is going to win. Daria?
I think Taylor has a real spring chicken. They are so full of life. But if it's ну, це не в одному, тому що якщо they are, то це багато.
That's right.
Maybe bright eye and bushy-tailed.
If you have a and then real, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, you need noun here. Тут має бути ще іменничок. But we don't have this. Daria?
I don't know, maybe spring in their step, because they are and they are.
Definitely, that has a real spring in their step. So this is the phrase. Even if we speak about one person, we need to use spring in their step, comparing this person with other people. So spring in they are so full of life. So spring in their step. It means they are very active, very lively. Okay. So, and we are finishing with this one, sentence 4. Yeah, let's make it faster because we have some slides left, but we don't have much time. Okay, who wants to read? Daria, please. Okay, no one else? Anya, could you help us, please? Oh, yeah, Daria.
We were having some problems with our homework, but then my friend maybe what is sprung into action?
Spring into action, it means, yeah, just start doing this immediately.
Maybe B.
You think B? Okay, там ще піднімали ручки. Так, зараз, а ну-ка. Хто, не бачу ім'я, Шульгіна, Даша, please? Шульгіна, Даша? Could you tell us, Dash?
Maybe C, pulled the rabbit out of the hat.
That's right, yes. Yeah. So how do you understand this phrase? Pull the rabbit out of the hat. Pull the rabbit out of... So he found...
дістав зайця з шапки.
Yeah, but this is the phrase. But what is the meaning?
Ну, якби йому прийшла якась думка на
That's right.
голову.
Yeah, he found the solution, yeah? Знайшов рішення, he found the solution. Okay. And now let's speak, but I hope you will be more active, yeah, speaking about these idioms. So, do you think it's a good idea to put all of your eggs in one basket? Why or why not? Is it good or bad idea to keep everything in one place? Money or expensive things? Oh, you are so shy today. Okay, so you can write in chat if you want. Так, this is about tricky situation. Tricky situation, how to solve this situation. And this one, I want you to speak about this. Do you believe that the grass is always greener on the other side? What do you think about this idiom? Is it true or not? And can you say that you don't think that the grass is greener on the other side? So what's your attitude about this or towards this? What's your opinion, Darya? Attitude.
I really don't think so, but I think it's important to appreciate what we have and make the best of our situation instead of always looking for something better.
That's right. Very wise words. Thank you very much. Yeah. Always appreciate what you have. Yeah. And try to achieve more for yourself. Never comparing with others. Okay. And what are 3 things that make you a happy bunny? So you can use chat. Please use chat. So what helps you to be happy and active and lively? Yeah. And enjoy life. What are 3 things? Please use chat. Or you can tell us. Yes, Darya.
For me, it could be learning new things, spending time with the family, and help others.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. And Roxalana, thank you very much too. So friends, hobbies and dreams. Really nice. Okay, more things, please. More things. What else makes you a happy bunny? Okay. Music, my favorite groups, Maria. Thank you very much. Yeah. Friends, family. Yeah. So please continue writing. And we are finishing with some lessons from spring. So look at this lesson. Oh, summer, friends and family. Sasha. Yeah, thank you. Look at these lessons from spring and choose the most interesting for you, the most reasonable for you, the most, the wisest for you. So choose the lesson that can be really helpful for you. So what do you think? Even after dark times, it's possible to thrive. So I would like you to focus on this. Even after dark times, it's possible to thrive. We are living in really dark times now, but let's believe that everything will be all right. And remember that no winter lasts forever. No spring keeps its turn. So no winter lasts forever. What does it mean? Yes, Daria, please. We are finishing.
Жодна зима не триває вічно, і жодна весна не пропускає свою чергу.
That's right. Yes. So we will definitely have hopes. And I want to finish our discussion with this phrase: where flowers bloom, so does hope. So if we hope, yeah, we will definitely have something good in our life. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for your participation. And I wish you to have the most beautiful and the most incredible, the most amazing spring in your life. This spring and the next many springs ahead. Thank you very much. And yeah, and see you hopefully soon. Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Thank you for this.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.